time to go see my upgraded secret hiding spot. My secret room. I'm gonna turn the AC on. It's dirty. Let's take a look at it on the inside. But there's just stuff in here, so I'm gonna cut the clip and just take this out. But I finally got the robot upstairs. Not upstairs, but in my bed. So let's go to this secret hiding spot and open it. So I'm in this doorknob here. There's a doorknob. It's a quick set. It says right there, quick set. And it works too. It works like that. Now let's get inside the secret room. Now close the door. Oops. I'm gonna put a lock right here and then a deadbolt right here too, so I can lock it. And this is my garage. It's just full with this doorknob. You can open it. Let's close it and it's locked. But if I lock it and then shut it from the outside, I won't be able to reach my hand to unlock it. Now let's get out. It's Tuesday, it's not Friday. Didn't get fast food today, but it's not Friday because Tuesday doesn't match with fast food Friday, but it matches with Taco Tuesday, Traffic Tuesday. It just matches with a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so this is the new doorknob right there. And I use this, so if I unlock it, take a look at the faceplate. This is the faceplate right here. Got two pieces of cardboard right here. Right there just to hold the faceplate. Well, this is how it works. Now it's gonna get out because it's very hot in here. Go ahead and shut the door. And there is the video. And this is my robot right here. That's gonna be it for this video.